I'm back in Series 3, made some room so I can move it inside. We'll turn off this silly immobiliser. Oh, stupid buttons on my stuff, one of these dumb things. There we go. Battery should have charged up a bit by now. Beautiful. Now, let's move this thing out. Nice one. Oh, it wants me to put my seatbelt on. Okay. My car doesn't do that. This car's picky. Gotta wait for someone to get past and then we can go. Cute. Well, I'm at the Blue Series 3 at the moment, so I figured I might as well make it a little quieter if possible. So it's damn loud at the moment. As you can see, there's the problem. The muffler should join there. But yeah, it caught a pin on the ground and hammered the muffler back, like one of those gate pins on a driveway. So it kind of broke it. So if I can unbolt it at that flange and just cut the back of the pipe off, I can stick the muffler back on, and at least it will muffle it a little bit. And won't hit things too, because that's awfully low to the ground. Oh cool, I got that off. It's not healthy. But you can see where it caught the pin on the driveway. It's just smashed the muffler back. So lucky it just pulled out here, so it hasn't damaged anything else. So I can just put that back on and tighten her up, and it'll sit there until I do it all. Nice new job. It's all new muffler system, like all exhaust is good. Sucks. Oh well. I'll just get the hacksaw and cut that off. Cool, well that should be much quieter now at least. But have to get a new muffler and over axle pipe for this one. I'm going to replace the rear end, so I need to put a whole new cradle in. This is bent and it's broke that shock. Just let all the oil out. Well, it's still loud, but it's just better kind of loud. Kind of like what wankers do to their cars, skylines and things. Sort of sounds like that now. Seems so very nice to drive. Horrible noise coming from the rear end. Drive shaft's hitting something, but it's drivable again now. Cool.